It is snowing hard, blowing hard. It looks like a blizzard out there right now. I mean, gee whizzers, it is just so bad right now. I wouldn't go anywhere in this kind of weather. Of course, I can't go nowhere in this kind of weather because I still do not have a vehicle. See out the door here, no vehicle. Of course, who would want to go anywhere in this kind of weather anyhow? I mean, you can't really tell too much in between the trailers because the trailers block, that other trailer's blocking. But it looks like a blizzard out there. This is the snowstorm coming through our area here in Carrollton, Ohio on Saturday, February the 14th, 2015.